If you look at this card, you can see a woman standing. Her eyes are blindfolded, which shows she is not able to see the situation clearly or lacks clarity. Her hands are tied behind her back, which shows she feels restricted or unable to take action. Her legs are not tied, which shows there is still a possibility to move or come out of the situation. She is surrounded by 8 swords fixed into the ground, forming a boundary around her, which shows she feels trapped or blocked by the situation. There is water on the ground around her feet, which shows emotional discomfort or confusion around her. In the background, you can see a castle at a distance, which shows there is a way out or a better place, but it feels far from reach right now. So the energy of this card is feeling stuck, restricted, and not able to see things clearly. The situation may feel difficult or limiting, but the restriction is not complete. There is still a way forward, but it requires clarity and awareness. This card shows a phase where the person feels trapped, but actually has the ability to move out of it. This is the Eight of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes upright, the answer is no. It shows restriction, confusion, or not being able to take clear action right now. If the card comes reversed, the answer is yes, as the situation starts opening up and clarity begins to come in. Career business studies. If this card comes upright, it shows feeling stuck or restricted in the situation. If someone is in a job, they may feel limited, pressured, or unable to grow. They should not make sudden decisions, but first understand the situation clearly. If someone is not working, it shows feeling blocked or discouraged. But this is not permanent. If planning to shift a job, it is not the right time to decide in confusion. Clarity is needed before taking action. If choosing a course or learning something, there may be confusion or lack of direction. So they should take time to understand properly. For business, it is not the right time to take risky decisions, as things may not be clear. If the card comes reversed, it shows coming out of confusion and slowly gaining clarity to move forward. Love relationship. If this card comes upright, it shows feeling stuck or restricted in the relationship. If someone is in a relationship or marriage, there may be confusion, overthinking, or feeling emotionally blocked. If there is a breakup, it shows difficulty in moving on due to mental attachment. If it is a new love situation, there may be hesitation or fear, making it hard to move forward. If the card comes reversed, it shows release from this feeling and slowly opening up again. Health. If this card comes upright, if a person is unhealthy, it shows stress, anxiety, or mental pressure affecting the condition. If someone is healthy, it is a warning about overthinking and mental strain. If something new is detected, it shows fear or confusion about the condition, and clarity is needed. If the card comes reversed, it shows improvement and coming out of stress or pressure. General guidance. If this card comes upright, do not assume you are completely stuck. Take time to understand the situation clearly before taking action. Avoid overthinking and fear. If the card comes reversed, it shows that you are starting to see clearly and can slowly move forward. So, this card tells you, you may feel trapped right now, but the situation is not completely closed, and with clarity, you can find your way out.